All right. Will you please say your name for the camera?
I'm Isabella Perdomo. I'm an ornithologist.
What do ornithologists do?
They study birds.
So, if someone happens not to be familiar with what a bird is, what is a bird?
A bird belongs to the class Aves. Now, the word Aves means flight.
What are some of the outward characteristics that identify something as a bird?
Well, birds are warm-blooded, have feathers, and are endothermic.
Wow. Now, what does endothermic mean?
Endothermic means that a bird is able to maintain a core body temperature.
Cool. Kind of like us.
Yeah.
All right. Tell me about a bird's digestive system.
A bird's digestive system is very different than the one that we have.
How so?
Well, birds don't have teeth, so instead they have this muscle in their stomach called a gizzard, which grinds up their food for them.
All right.
They also have a crop, which stores ingested food.
How do birds get rid of digested food?
Birds don't have a urinary bladder because it would add extra weight, and birds need to be very, very lightweight. So they get rid of waste in their intestines and excrete in the form of a white substance.
Is that the white substance that ends up on the hood of my car after I wash it?
Yes.
I hate that stuff. Tell me about the circulation and respiration of a bird.
A bird has lungs, but it also has several air sacs which amplify the oxygenation process. And a bird's heart is composed of 4 chambers. The left and right ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to the body, while the right ventricle and atrium pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs.
Cool. Talk to me about a bird's brain.
A bird's brain is composed of 3 different parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the medulla. The medulla controls automatic functions such as breathing and heart rate. And the cerebellum controls balance, which is very important for a bird, especially in flight. And the cerebrum controls instinctive behavior and memory and vocalization, eating, and flying.
I've heard before that birds can see really well. Is that true?
Yes. Birds have excellent vision, especially birds of prey, but some birds also have very good hearing, such as owls.
So birds have ears, you just can't see them.
Right.
All right, talk to me about how birds sing. Do they have vocal cords like we do?
No. They have a syrinx, which is located in the bird's trachea. When a bird vocalizes, they expel air through the syrinx, and the membranes of the syrinx vibrate and produce the bird's vocalization.
That's awesome. So, how do birds reproduce?
They lay eggs, obviously, and they utilize sexual reproduction.
Mm-hmm.
And a bird's egg has to be fertilized, or else it won't hatch.
Okay. One last thing to ask you about. Why are male birds usually so much more colorful than the females?
Male birds have more bright plumage than females to attract mates. Usually they like dance around and stuff like that. And females have the less colorful plumage because they spend most of their time with their young, and since they have many predators, such as my dog Clyde, and other birds such as hawks and owls, they have to be camouflaged.
We're about out of time, so I'm going to ask you one more question. What is your favorite kind of bird?
Parrots, because they're very intelligent.
Awesome. All right. Thank you very much.